So I'm going to add page X out of Y at the bottom of this page. So I'm scrolling down. This is page 1. Double clicking here. Now I have header and footer open. Unclick different first page because we are working on the first page. And then go to page number. And we are at the bottom, so bottom of the page. Now scroll down to find page X out of Y. There you go. So this is that section. I'll pick the last one. And there you go. We have page 0 out of 4. And then the next page will be page 1 out of 4 and so on. Now, I'm sure you don't want to start with page 0. So let's double click here again. Go back to page number, format page numbers, increase this to 1. Okay, there you go. So now this is page 1 and this is page 2 out of 4. If you didn't want to start on page 1, double click again and now click different first page. So it disappears on the first page and we have it back on page number 2. Again, if you don't want this to start from page number 2, go back to page number and format page numbers, decrease this to 0. So this is the first page, we don't have anything here, and then on the second page, it starts from page 1 out of 4. If you want to insert your page numbers from any other page, then watch one of my videos up above on how to do it.